Hi everybody, welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, and today is the first day of February. Yay, I love February because of Valentine's and pinks, and I just love pink, okay? The main reason I'm here on February 1st is today is the day I announced the winner of the giveaway. If you're not familiar with the giveaway, I started hosting a giveaway where I'll be giving away this pink Logitech Yeti mic, some stickers and stationery from my shop, a little mini perfume, and then this cute pouch that I made. So I'm going to be giving away all this stuff to one winner, and I'm here to announce it now. I want to first start off by saying thank you guys for entering the giveaway. Thank you so much for giving me the engagement, boosting my channel, and still loving my content. I love that you guys love my content, so I really have to say thank you for that. I do enjoy giving stuff away, so let's go ahead and figure out the winner, and I will pick out of this little jar. Hopefully one day it could be a big jar, but for now, this little jar. You know, I gotta shake it up first. I gotta always shake it up, make sure it's nice and mixed up. I just gotta make sure it's good and mixed up. Okay, time to pick a winner. Got one, let's see. All right, the winner is Janaya20. So Janaya20 is the winner. Congratulations, Janaya. I will message you on Instagram, letting you know that you won and get the details from you so I can go ahead and get this shipped out to you. Congratulations again. Thank you everybody for entering, and stay tuned for my next video because guys, I have some really cute Valentine's Day crafts that I really want to share with you guys. So Janaya20, I'm going to hit you up on Instagram. Congratulations once again. How exciting. Thanks for watching. Bye.